on everything. The tank is brand new inside. You know, everything matches except the lids. The lids had speakers in them, and he wanted to keep the lids, so I had a set of lids.
Now you're gonna rub it in. That's what you want. Lids with speakers.
Lids with speakers. I wish I had them. All the lights, the bracket, cover everything.
And it's practical, because if you're a rider, you might be riding home, something drop off, and I'm going to get you home.
I gave her, I fitted it to her, and she said she thought her daughter was...
Oh, you want me on there, young man?
I'd like to hear you speak.
Well,
say something profound.
Well, me and the Queen, back in the UK, she's a heavy drinker.
Well, I know it.
So we quite often go out and drink a few bevies. Well, the trouble is, she'll drink at least 2 to 3 bottles of gin a night.
Yeah, that's expensive.
And Prince Philip, the reason he's got a big red nose is he does 2 bottles of brandy a day.
There you go.
I know that for a fact.
Well, I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. Good story, though. Thank you. Yeah, another crazy drunken Englishman, you know. Come on over here to Florida. Oh, you know, it's not a far jaunt. Hey, all I got to do is get down to Webster, Florida, and I can have fun. I'm coming. 96, 1200 conversion.
Put 3 handlebars with me, would you? Have a nice day. Very much. Have a good day too.
73 liter frame for Sportster. There's your rear end. Lots of stuff here.
Other than that, you'll sing good.
I gotta go over here to the soda pop tent, so to speak. Breeze today.
I had a 3-inch lowering kit. And yeah, but I.
Hey, where do you redeem the ticket?
Down here. He's the guy that you...
Oh, right there? All right. Okay. Oh, all the way toward the entrance? All right. Oh, that's too far to go right now.
Mine was an 11.5.
They moved it, is what they did. Here's this white glide again in the same spot. You didn't see this. I didn't send you the tape. This was here last month. Remember we talked about the pedal? I'm cursed. I just saw a Yamaha 650. Oh no. Here we are again, I was mentioning last month that this little fenced-in area for eating, this is new. Oh, let's go look at this bike over here. You gotta be kidding me. Knocked me down with a feather. (9/11)